in the country? All Indian, sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of this speech and heritage. I shall give to my parents, teachers, and all elders. Respect and treat everyone. Importance to my country, to my people. I praise my devotion. India will be and prosperity, a long life, my happiness. Jai Hind.
Good morning everyone, my name is Faizan. I am telling now thought. Difficulty in life intended to make us better, not bitter. I repeat my thought. Difficulty in life intended to make us better, not bitter. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Alas. I am from grade 3 college. I am suggesting new word MCN meaning all. Friend, fill after me. MCN meaning AN CI EN T MCN meaning all. Thank you. News helps us to be updated with ongoing things around us. I invite my friend Dayananda Dakshay update us with state and sport news. Good morning everyone, my name is Jafan Grethri. Now I am going to say state news. Telangana auto rickshaw drivers struck fastest and important working conditions. Thank you. My name is Saksha from grade 3 college. Now I am going to say sports news. T20 World Canada UAE AM 2 bounce back. Thank you. Now I invite my friend Yashavardhan Rohan to update us with national and international news. Happy morning everyone. My name is Yashavardhan. I am studying grade 3 Coral. Today I am saying international news. International Bangladesh voters enroll sweeping declared reform in national. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is K. Ravandra from grade 3 Coral. Today I am going to say national news. National news. Congress demands Petroleum Minister Hardeep Singh's resignation. Thank you.
Update with today's weather report. Maximum temperature 32 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 19 degrees Celsius, humidity 22%, partly sunny. To encourage our general knowledge, my name is Kakuna from grade 3 Kora. I check in some GK questions with some answers. Who is known as the god of cricket? With the right answer, the answer is Sachin Tendulkar. Let us appreciate him. Question for grade 2. Which sport is known as the king of sports? Yes, you with the right answer. The answer is football. Let us appreciate him. What is the width of a football got wrong? Goalpost. I repeat my question. What is the width of a football goalpost? 8 feet 24 meters. Yes, you with the right answer. The answer is 8 feet to 44 meters. Let us appreciate them. Also for grade 4, which country tree posted the 2010 FIFA World Cup? Which country posted the 2020 FIFA
Brazil.
World Cup?
Brazil.
Africa. Russia was created by in which year did India first participate in Olympic hockey? 1928. Yes, you picked the right answer. The answer is 1928. Question for grade 6. When is Olympic Day celebrated? Yes, you picked the right answer. The answer is June 23. Every year, let us appreciate it. Thank you. My name is Akriti. I am from grade 3 Coral. Now I am going to say importance of trees. Trees are one of the most valuable gifts of nature. They play a very important role in maintaining the balance of our environment. Trees give us oxygen to breathe and absorb harmful carbon dioxide, helping to reduce air pollution. They provide shelters and food to many birds, animals and humans. Trees help prevent soil erosion and bringing rain by maintaining water cycle. They also provide shade, beauty and peace of our surroundings. Without trees, life on earth would not be possible. Therefore, we must plant more trees and protect them for a harmful and greener fruits. Thank you.